Hey guys, a 90-second review of the SAM XT Tourniquet. Let's take a close look. We'll start here with the all aluminum windlass rod. It is secured to this TrueFlex plate. This plate is made out of nylon, allows for flexibility and distributes the force of this windlass rod equally in this area, not causing a lot of pinching. Moving on to the top here, these are the clips that secure the windlass rod. They're angled real nice, so it allows for easy application. Moving on down to here, this is the True Force buckle. If you look closely, there is these two prongs that will come out of this buckle when you pull against it at about 22 pounds of pressure. That will allow for anywhere that this strap has these holes to capture that. And this eliminates one of the biggest problems with tourniquets, is taking out all the slack. Let's see how you apply it. We'll put it on above a wound. And then as you pull down, you want to pull down against the buckle, not up. This is the most common mistake. So as I pull down, I want you to look at those prongs engaged. They engage. There's no slack now in the tourniquet, which means I have to turn it very little now, and creates a lot of pressure in here. Secure with the time strap, and you're all done. To release it, we go in reverse, but this is the little technique here, is you pull up against this tab, and that releases this tourniquet. It comes in high visibility orange, it comes in the tactical black, and this is the training blue. Thanks for watching SAM XT Tourniquet.